The International Food Policy Research Institute has called on the federal government to be proactive in crisis response to mitigate food crisis in the country. Katerina Kosek, Senior Research Fellow at the Institute, made the call at the Nigeria presentation of IFPRI's 2023 Global Food Policy Report in Abuja. The Institute IFPRI, in partnership with Consultative Group for International Agricultural Research, also launched the Research Initiative on Fragility, Conflict and Migration. While commending the Nigerian government's efforts so far, Kosek reiterated that more needs to be done to alleviate poverty.
I think having a critical social protection system in which people that are facing challenges have sources of support from their government to get them in the long term, helping them graduate from poverty. I think it's important for governments to listen to the needs of their citizens, and I think it's critical to ensure that the voices among those citizens include women and other vulnerable groups, because citizens on the ground know what they need. They know the problems they're facing, and they know what pose the most critical challenges to lifting themselves out of poverty. And so ensuring that the voices of citizens are reflected in the types of programming that government puts out, I think are critical. I think we additionally need very good systems that provide early warning when crises are going to hit, and ensuring that those systems are connected with actions and planned actions is essential.
In his remarks, the Minister of Agriculture, Dr. Mohammed Abubakar, represented by the Director, Planning and Policy Coordinator, Ibrahim Tanimu, said government and the humanitarian community have been implementing life-saving interventions to cushion the effects. He promised to continually encourage national and international support to tackle insurgency, improve infrastructure, restore businesses, and revive people's means of livelihood.
The sectoral strategy is to conserve the environment, provide rural infrastructure, strengthen research, capacity, expand extension services, raise agricultural productivity, enhance commodity value chain, and promote agro-business.
While commenting on the Research Initiative on Fragility, Conflict and Migration, Kate Ambler, Senior Research Fellow of IFPRI, the Institute, said the initiative would focus on building climate resilience and social protection.
The research will be directly policy relevant and designed to improve the knowledge of our partners and other stakeholders. In addition, the initiative is designed to promote gender equality and inclusion more broadly, given the special vulnerability and distinct roles of women in these crises. This goal of gender inclusion will run throughout all streams of work and project development.